Welcome to the Pharma Voice Editor's Take video series, filmed live at the 2013 DIA Annual Meeting in Boston, hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. In this episode, Taryn meets with John Blakeley, Chief Commercial Officer, Greenphire.
John, thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your day to visit with us for our 2013 DIA Editor's Take video program.
You're welcome.
You announced the launch of your eClinical GPS product 2 years ago at DIA. How has the industry reacted to eClinical GPS?
I would say overall the reaction has been very positive. We've had 2 very strong years continuing to build the product, to get traction for the product within the user community. And I think that people are really starting to recognize the value that that product can bring to them in collecting data centrally, managing it centrally, and to aggregate that data for the various transparency regulations around the world.
John, how are transparency regulations shaping the clinical trials industry in 2013? And then as a follow-up to that, how can technology improve data aggregation and streamline compliance within regulations?
I think this is an interesting question because the industry generally sees the transparency regulations as another burden which they have to carry going forward. But actually, the regulations are really forcing people to look at the technology solutions available. And people are starting to realize that those technology solutions are able to help them streamline their businesses and ultimately reduce costs. So the transparency regulations, as it relates directly to the clinical research piece of the jigsaw, can actually be viewed as quite positive.
Greenphire has recently announced some exciting partnerships. Can you tell us about the vision for these partnerships and what kinds of new innovation you expect to come out from them?
Yes, so we've announced a partnership with IMS Health, specifically around their grant plan benchmarking product. This product will allow us for the first time ever to take benchmark data together with contracted data, together with actual payment data, and we'll be able to now do financial forecasting, accrual and analysis across the entire clinical trial from conceptual stage all the way to completion. And that's been a very difficult task to have done historically. So we're really changing the way the industry can look at the financial analytics. On the other side of the house, we've announced a strategic integration with Oracle, with both their Inform and OCRDC products. So they have a vision of being able to manage the clinical trial process from plan to payment, and we clearly are fitting into that payment piece rather nicely.
Those are exciting, great new partnerships.
We're very excited about them, yes.
Fantastic. John, thank you so much for taking some time out of your calendar.
You're most welcome.
Additional Editor's Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.